Super typhoon near Japan is year's strongest storm. Hinnamnor would be the strongest storm of 2022, based on the maximum sustained wind speed recorded at this point, according to a JMA official.
It is expected to reapproach Japan's southern prefecture of Okinawa on Sunday. The very strong typhoon was almost stationary over waters, about 390 kilometers south of Okinawa's Miyakojima Island.
Hinnamnor was packing winds of up to 180 kilometers per hour, near its center and gusts of up to 252 kilometers per hour.
The storm is expected to stay south of Okinawa through Saturday night before moving north. It is predicted to get very close to the prefecture's Sakishima Islands early on Sunday morning.
Hinnamnor is forecast to bring intense winds that could destroy some homes on the islands. Agency officials say people should brace for violent winds and rough seas.
Later, it could move further north over the East China Sea, and approach the Kyushu regions and other parts of western Japan through the middle of next week.
Weather officials are calling on people to stay vigilant for mudslides, floods and swollen rivers as well as lightning and gusts. Be careful when you are in Japan.